enjoyable sound. Can you hear resonance of 5 minutes? The minimum? It's hard, it's not, it hurts me. It's like a cooking pot. But we were quite often asked, oh, we have some bells up still in the tower, from World War I, please make a new one. We say, yes, we like to make a new one, but please, please, take this bell and look for the best place in your village, for the most beautiful place in front of your church. Because after war, the people didn't have anything. They didn't have no butter on the bread, but they wanted to have bells. And therefore, keep these old bells on a good place. I forgot this one. It's not bad, but it doesn't have a long resonance, and you can't hear the upper tones. It's good, but it stops.